Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to implement proxy chaining with an L2 topology on an SSLi device. Alright, so we start with the wizard tab. Here we select custom, and inside custom we go with the L2 single path with explicit proxy topology. We click next and we are taken to the next page, which is the decryption part. Here we select Ethernet 1 as our ingress interface and give it an IP address of 10.1.1.2/24. We also give the explicit proxy the IP address. This is the explicit proxy that is going to be configured on top of the A10 device. We also specify the port number and the SSL key and certificate. And then we select the outbound interface, which is Ethernet 2. Here we have to select Ethernet 3 as our inbound interface from the security device and give it an IP address of 10.1.1.3. We also have to select an egress interface and specify the IP address of the default gateway. Here it's 10.1.1.254. When we click next, we are taken to the bypass configuration options. Here we select categories in the category list option as financial services and let's say health and medicine. We save it. Then we move to the domain list options. Here we can enter any words or phrases. If these words or phrases are contained in a URL, they will be skipped. We save this. We can also specify either source or destination IP addresses, but we are going to skip that for now. Moving on to the next page, we can see the summary of our configurations. We can click finish and it will take us to one final view of the configurations. Here we can either copy it or apply it directly to the device. Once we click apply, we're going to be taken to the configuration page where we can specify more options. Like for example, if we have to specify proxy chaining, we'll go to the explicit proxy section. It's enabled and you can see the IP address and the port number that we just specified. Now if we click on the proxy chaining option, we are provided with two text boxes. In the first one, we have to specify the upstream proxy IP, which in our case was 20.2.2.10, and we also have to specify a port number. It can be any port number, but for the sake of an example, we are going to enter 8080. That's all we have to do right here, and then we click on save. Once we click save, it's going to give us all the configurations once again, and if we click copy, it'll copy it to the clipboard, or we can click apply and directly apply it to the device. Once applied, we'll be prompted and our configuration will be successful. That's it for this video. Thank you.